Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back.
To our channel.
And welcome back to vlogging for me. So it's been 2 weeks na hindi tayo nakapag-vlog, guys. It feels so strange na
My haircut.
it feels so strange na humarap sa camera ngayon kasi alam niyo yung parang first time ko na hindi nakapag-vlog for that long. Kasi nga, diba, I try very hard na every day or every 2 days tayo magba-vlog. But this time, guys, 2 weeks. Say hi, Daddy.
Hello.
I've got Paris, I've got Celine, and I've got Daddy Mike in the car.
Me too.
And, can you tell them the reason why we haven't been vlogging, Daddy?
Because we've been sick.
Yes.
Extremely sick.
We have been really sick and we contracted the virus, guys. So yes, nagka-COVID kaming lahat. Ayun, lumabas na yung mag-ama kasi hindi na makapaghintay yung mga kids. Dito kasi kami nagpark sa harapan mismo ng nung playground. Kaya ayun, ang ating baby Celine din, guys, hindi makapag-sit still, obviously. Kasi gusto nang mag-gora. Kaya yun, lumabas na sila. So, as what I said, we had COVID. So, even though gusto ko siyang i-document, guys, para, alam niyo yun, para i-document yung nangyari, kung ano yung nararamdaman ko, kung ano yung nararamdaman naming lahat nung nagkasakit kami, para nangibabaw pa rin yung takot ko for the family. Minabuti ko na lang na hindi na muna mag-vlog kasi parang din, guys, ang tawag ito, hindi talaga kaya ng powers ko that time. And I think yung last na vlog ko was yung Easter. So Easter Sunday, we were with the family, right? After that day, guys, umuwi kami ng bahay. Like, I felt different already. It started with my throat. So sa amin, guys, sa bahay, ako yung unang naglabas ng simptomas. So it started with my throat, and then parang okay lang naman that day, during the daytime. Pero pagkagabi, doon ko na feel na parang I had shivers. Yung sobrang nanginginig ako. And then, I had fever na. And then also, sobrang, yun talaga yung sinabi ko sa sarili ko na I think meron na akong COVID. Kasi, para sobrang sakit ng katawan ko talaga, guys. Lahat ng kasukasuan, lahat ng muscles talaga na pinakamaliit na muscles sa katawan ko, sobrang sakit talaga. And I heard na yun talaga yung parang sign talaga na meron kang yung COVID nga. So that night, uminom ako ng Panadol. Naging okay din naman siya, guys. And then the next day, sabi ko kay Daddy Mike na mag-take ako ng rapid antigen test. So, yun na nga, straight away, nag-show na positive ako. So, that was actually the afternoon when I did the test the next day. Kasi naging okay na naman ako after the Panadol, guys, nung gabing yun. So, parang sabi ko, I'll take Paris to school kasi may school si Paris ng Wednesday. Kasi Tuesday night yung symptoms na naramdaman ko. So, since I felt okay naman, so dinala ko si Paris sa school para hindi niya ma-miss out yung school niya for that day, Wednesday. But then, nung nag-take na ako ng test that afternoon and then it came back na positive, so, hindi na ako lumabas ng bahay. Sinabihan ko na lang si Daddy Mike to pick up Paris from school kasi kailangan ko na mag-isolate kasi, positive na ako. Tatakot ako para sa sarili ko. But then, the whole time, yung inisip ko talaga is yung kapakanan ng mga kids ko. Kasi I know, adults, Daddy Mike, myself, parang nakaka-manage naman kami kasi matanda na kami. And also, we were, parang vaccinated na kami para sa COVID. Yung pinag-alala ko talaga ng sobra, guys, is yung mga anak ko. Kasi, paano pag nakuha ng mga bata? And they will get really, really sick. So, dahil nga kasi close contact kami, guys, nandoon kami sa, isang bahay. And si Celine is bini-breastfeed ko pa rin. So, they are parang considered na close contact talaga sa akin. So, kaming lahat na yung nag-isolate. Sa bahay na kami, doon ako sa kwarto. I tried my hardest na hindi ako makalapit kay Ate Paris tsaka kay Daddy Mike, although kay Baby Celine kasi kailangan ko siyang ay breastfeed and also kailangan ko siyang close siya palagi sa akin. Although sabi naman nila na just keep breastfeeding naman kasi yung antibodies na mabibigay ko sa baby is is good. But then yun na nga nangyari na nga yung kinakatakutan ko, guys, na parang 2 days later nun I felt na si Baby Celine na naman yung nagkaka-fever. So, like, madaling araw, sobrang sweat. Nagsisweat siya, tapos sobrang init niya. And then, naisip ko noon na I think Celine has got it now. I felt so bad, guys, kasi alam niyo ba yung parang guilty ka kasi ikaw yung pinanggalingan ng virus. But then, at the same time, hindi ko naman ginusto na yun yung mangyari, diba? Anyways, after nun, guys, nung si Celine na yung nag-start na magkasakit, parang kinalimutan ko na lahat nung about sa akin. Parang kinalimutan ko na may sore throat ako, kinalimutan ko na sobrang sakit ng katawan ko, na hindi maganda yung pakiramdam ko kasi may maliit ako na baby na dapat alagaan. So parang wipe away ko na lang yung sarili ko, guys, kasi yung inisip ko at pinag-alala ko talaga is si Baby Celine. And then the next night, ganun pa rin yung nangyari. Like, high fever pa rin si Celine. Chine-check ko yung temperature niya. It was 39 degrees. So, tinawagan ko yung COVID hotline. Sabi ko, I contracted the virus. Well, I tested positive 2 days ago. And I think nakuha ng baby ko kasi meron na siyang lagnat ngayon. But then, sa kanila kasi, guys, yung talaga nila kasi pag hindi pa talaga kailangan, pag hindi emergency, stay at home and just get better at home. Kasi pag lumabas ka ay may chance na maibibigay mo sa iba yung virus. So since Celine, sabi nila, as long as hindi tumaas ng 40 degrees kay Baby Celine, and if she seems to be okay other than the fever, kasi yung fever naman, guys, is a sign yun ng body na it's fighting some virus. So hindi ibig sabihin talaga na sobrang na talaga kapag nagkalagnat ka. So yun yung nangyari. And then sabi nila lang, keep the fluid lang to Baby Celine. So binibigay, pampadede lang ako ng padede, guys, kahit na yung katawan ko ay sumasakit na talaga. And then Daddy Mike and Paris, they stayed in the other room. So doon sila natutulog silang dalawa. And then Paris was actually fine the whole time. Si Daddy Mike is meron na siyang ubo, but he didn't show any parang signs, yung mga symptoms ng COVID, kasi he's already under the anong tawag dun, antibiotics, kasi meron siyang ubo. Pumunta siya ng doctor the week before para sa kanyang ubo, but he's not positive. So parang yung katawan niya ay na ba kasi na-detect siya ng antibiotics. But then still, sabi ko sa kanya, since nandito tayo sa bahay, magkasama tayo, meron naman tayong another test dito sa bahay. Just get tested kasi wala namang mawawala, 'di ba? Kahit na wala kang nararamdaman ngayon. So Daddy Mike done the test, and guess what? Ate Paris ay gusto nang umalis. Okay, my love. And yeah, so Daddy Mike tested positive as well. So kay Baby Celine, guys, even though hindi namin siya tinest kasi hindi naman pwede yung babies na sa bahay, yung ginagawang rapid test sa bahay, hindi sila pwede doon kasi very sensitive ang kanilang ilong. So kailangan nila ng anong tawag doon, guys, PCR. So kailangan nilang pumunta ng doktor talaga. But then since I was already positive, hindi ako pwedeng lumabas. So kaya yun, even though hindi namin na-check na si Baby Celine ay positive, I felt like yes, positive siya. Kasi nga, di ba, galing sa akin, tapos si Daddy Mike nag-test ng positive din. And then, after that, sunod-sunod na kaming lahat, guys. So, the next day, Ate Paris woke up with a fever. So, sobrang init din niya. And then, umiiyak na siya. But the whole time, nung okay siya, guys. But then, naglaganap na kasi nasa isang bahay kami, di ba? So, kahit na magkaibang room kami or whatever, yung virus ay nasa bahay pa rin. So, ayun, nakuha din siguro ni Ate Paris yun, guys. Again, hindi namin siya na-test, pero she had the, yung giniginaw siya, she's tired, she's got the fever and everything. So, yeah, what we've done, we just stayed at home. Yun lang yung ginawa talaga namin, guys. Nothing very special talaga, like sa room, naglagay lang ako ng humidifier. But yeah, it wasn't fun, guys. Kasi, parang, alam niyo ako yung nagsimula. Tapos, even though sobrang sakit na nararamdaman ko, I was not feeling well at all. Tapos, lahat na membro ng family ko ay nagka-COVID na rin. So, parang, yun na nga, guys, hindi ko na inisip talaga yung sarili ko. But then, thanks God, yeah, the whole time I was just like praying, guys. Nilabas ko yung Biblia ko, yung crucifix, kasi wala nang choice, wala na ako ibang magawa. Yun lang talaga yung magagawa ko, guys, sa loob ng bahay, magdasal na sana maging okay kaming lahat, na maging okay yung mga kids, at maging okay din ako, of course, kasi ako yung nag-aalaga, kami yung Daddy Mike nag-aalaga sa mga kids. So obviously kailangan din namin magpalakas para maalagaan yung mga bata, diba? But yeah, thanks God, we survived talaga. But we got over COVID, guys. So now, as you can see, nandito, sobrang dami na nangyari na in the last 2 weeks. And as you can see, nandito na rin yung sasakyan namin. Nakuha na natin from after 1 month. Nakabalik na rin yung sasakyan natin. And yeah, for me, I'm just very thankful, even though na hindi ko talaga in-expect na mangyayari yun sa amin. I'm so thankful to God na niligtas niya kami, na okay lahat kami ngayon. As you can see, I've got the kids, they're happy now. You know, we're back in the outside world. We just got out of the isolation just a couple of days ago. Ang ating baby girl, Ate Paris, ayun, galit-galit na, oh. Ayun, galit na, oh. But yeah, wala talaga akong ginawa, guys, nung the whole time na nagkasakit kami, na vlogging or anything. Actually, parang nakapag-edit ako ng isang vlog. Oh, that's good, my love. Say hi sa Herbie, oy, they miss you, knock.
Who?
Yeah, tita and tito.
What tita and tito?
Can you tell them where we're going?
We're going to my haircut.
Yeah. So, yun yung gagawin namin ngayon, guys. Nandito kami sa Bulimba. We will get Paris's very first haircut niya. So, she's now 4 years old. Ito yung first time na ikakat namin yung kanyang buhok. Tingnan natin. I'll just say hi to Selene. Hello, my Selene. Hi, what's this? What's this? Baby girl, what's this? Yung tinitingnan niya yung lola sa harapan niya na nagpapayong. Hello. Hi. Hala, ang ating baby Selene ba kay Dedma lagi? Na? Dedma na? Dedma ikaw na? Uy, he's tita and tito, oh. Hi. Hala, wala talaga siya, guys. Ayaw na niyang mag-vlog. Nak, yan yung nangyayari na. Kapag 2 weeks na hindi ka nag-vlog.
Gaga.
Hala, Daddy.
Hey. Gaga.
How are you feeling now? No more COVID?
No more COVID.
No more COVID. So, hindi talaga madali, guys. Grabe.
No more virus.
I can't believe talaga na yun yung nangyari. But, I think nakuha talaga namin yun from the family. Kasi nga, doon sa nung pumunta kami ng Broad Beach para sa Easter Sunday, doon talaga nagsimula. So, careful na kami ngayon kapag talaga hindi maganda yung pakiramdam. May mga tao na hindi maganda yung pakiramdam. Hindi na talaga mag-meet. Kasi, napakahirap guys. Grabe. Hirap na magkasakit. This is where Ate Paris is going for her haircut. Barber girl. Apparently, today ay ano lang sila guys, walk-in. So, hindi namin kailangan gumawa ng appointment. There you go. Oh, busy. Daddy, I think they're so busy ba? Umalis muna kami doon guys kasi sobrang daming tao pa doon. Naglilinya. So, si Daddy Mikey nag-stay doon. Oh, shush. Don't make her cry, ate. Aduba dabu. Okay, yeah. Yummy. Are you excited for your haircut?
Yeah.
Your first haircut ever? Yes? Tingnan nyo guys, ito yung kanyang hair ngayon, oh. Hindi talaga yung, ito ang proper na haircut guys, first proper haircut. Pero si Ate Paris ay kinakat niya yung hair before. Ayan. Yung ilalim kasi guys, medyo, crazy. So maybe, we'll just cut it up to here or something. We'll see. But I think she's going to look really, really cute.
I'm gonna cut.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna do it.
So, nag-stop kami dyan guys, oh, Coco Bliss. Bumili ako nito. Smoothie. Coconut, mango
Can I
smoothie.
try?
Itong isa, gusto niya ng Slurpee. Walang Slurpee dito. Ito, healthy option
Yum.
lang to eh. Yummy? Rini? You want some? Oh. Okay. Healthy. Are you excited? Do you want French? Do you want Frenchies? Like this one? Like roller carrots? No? Just to make it healthy?
If that does come loose, just slide that.
Lini! Where are you? Nandito kami sa isang suburb guys na we never been before. Sabi kasi ni Daddy Mike, maganda daw itong suburb na to. So we came here after Ate Paris' haircut. Uy, what you doing? Do you love your haircut? Just dalaga na makay ka na ko. Stand up, eh? Shush! Dalaga na kain ng bata, eh. Slurpee. Alam niyo ba ang layo ng binyahe namin just to get Slurpee? Napakalayo ng 7-Eleven galing sa kung saan kami nagpa-haircut sa kanina. So, apparently, ito yung Montague Markets. That is there. Just went to the toilet. And see, there's shops. PWS, Clear, Skincare. Massage dito. Ikabi? Massage. Be? Massage. Massage. Pharmacy. I don't know. Daddy Mike guys, na parang nabaguhan lang ba? Here it is. It looks really nice. I know. These are a bit cold.
I don't like that. It's cold. Mine's too cold. Mine.
Beauty and nails. Malayo to siya sa amin, guys. Sa kabilang tampi ng Brisbane. I think that's it, Daddy. Nothing else. Ano ni Daddy, bakit ni Daddy na pumunta dito? It's not cold now. They've got Woolworths there. They probably just go Woolworths.
It's a good suburb, not just this part. They have like a huge markets here and everything.
But I'm freezing.
Are you freezing?
Yeah.
Yay! Tingnan niyo, mas healthy tingnan ng kanyang buhok, no? Baka mas mabilis na yan siyang humaba. Kasi natutulan na ng N. Ay, shush! Fugos. Mag-order kami ng fries, guys, and shakes. Snack of my time. No. It has to be Paris. Shush, kalungat ng bata. Hilak na siya, hilak.
Let's do 4 this time. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1.
Broken Hearts Burger.
Ready?
What's in here? What's this one, Bob? Huh?
Spotlight.
Chipotle? Whoop.
Is that mine?
Oh.
Can I see? Is it chip?
Is that cheesy? Is this cheese?
It's cheese on top. But you can just put the cheese, dip it.
Ah, this one?
Yeah.
I don't know, huh? Bugo, Kaya sa imo na.
That's cheese.
Bulingit makay ka.
Cheese.
Naglakad-lakad kami, guys. Iniwan namin yung sasakyan doon sa pinarka namin. And have a look! Hala, sobrang ganda. Alam niyo ba yung mga houses, diba? Diyan kami dumaan, no? Super old, but beautiful, you know? Merong character ba? And then, we didn't realize meron palang ganito dito. River. Crimea River. Ito siya ay binuhat ko from there. Naktangtang abaga sa imong inahanap. Very peaceful ang water. Where are you going, ate? Tingnan yung buhok ng ating ate Paris. Oh.
I just wanted to look
Nakakita na ko.
I just want to look for that.
You wanna look for ducks? Okay, let's go. Yeah, maybe they have ducks here. So ito pala, guys, yung suburb na to ay West End. Tignan nyo, ganda no. What's in there?
My don't go in the rock.
Why not?
And my
Mga picture taking dyan. We'll see if they have ducks. I don't think they have ducks, Melo.
If we go over there
Mm?
in the rocks, they'll say you friend.
Amoy pita.
You can only go in the sand.
There's no sand there.
I see some
I think that's mud.
mud.
Mm.
Mud sand.
Yes. Look where we are. So, naglakad-lakad kami guys. From there. Kumakain pala ako ng bread. It's nearly 6 o'clock. And, ayan, sunset na. Super peaceful here guys. Oh, kukukukuku. Kukukukukukuku. Ito siya is sleepy. Pinadede ko na, hindi pa natulog.
My.
Ano to siya dito? Pier. Is this a pier?
Give me it. Give me it. I just want a little bit to get. I thought you know. I need a rat.
Ah, little breads.
I want to throw it.
Sorry.
Why?
When you throw like that, you might get into the water. Shark.
Huh?
Shark.
It will jump. Will it jump? Or it will swim to me?
Jump.
Where?
And will bite your hand.
Where? You scare me.
Sorry, honey. I was just joking.
Mine. But I want to feed the ducks.
Why aren't you sleeping yet? Is it 8 o'clock yet, Daddy? Bob? Is it?
8:23.
Oh, 8:23. Gising na gising pa guys, oh. Nakauwi kami mga ano na, one hour ago. Ito siya. Pinatulog ko kasi paiyak-iyak, pinadede. Ay, buhay na buhay pa, oh. Ang shush! Kamang pa more. Kamang pa more. Hey. Nakatulog kasi sa sasakyan, guys, nung pauwi kami, kaya ayan. Hey! You're not sleeping! Ate Paris is there. Hayaan nyo na ang ating mess, guys, ha? Wow. Show me your hair, Nakbe. Are you happy with your hair? Yeah? It's so beautiful. Stand up, B, so I can see better. So you look after it, huh?
Does she want to give them a shout out?
Yeah, so shout out to the lady who did my hair. Barber girl. Ikaw, Nakbe? Ate, shout out. You say it. Shout out
Shout out
to Barber girl
to Burger
for
for
giving me a beautiful haircut.
giving me a beautiful haircut.
Good
You can find them in Oxford Street, Balimba.
Paris endorsing na. On our way home, we went to pick this up. Tingnan nyo ang ating Devil's Ivy. Sobrang healthy. They look really, really happy and healthy. Tingnan nyo. Sobrang tagal ko nang gustong pick upin to, guys. Mga ilang weeks na nagkasakit na lang kami. Nagka-COVID na lang kami. Hindi pa na-pick up. So, finally kanina, kasi nakatulog si Baby Celine, pinick up namin yan. 5 yan siya. 1, 2, 3. And then there's another 2 there. Alam niyo ba guys? Tingnan niyo guys. Oh, kawawa itong ating vacuum. Bumili kami ng bagong vacuum kasi ito ay nasira. Tatapon pa namin yan sa baba. But here is 1, 2. Grabe, sobrang healthy talaga nila tingnan guys. Binili ko na yung 5. Kasi, yeah, $55 for 5 of them. Ang plano ko, guys, is ilagay sila dyan sa taas. Diyan. Tapos, katulad nito, oh, diba? So, ganyan. So,
Where do you
pwede
want to put
siyang, ano.
This one?
Yeah. Yeah, this one. By
Where?
the one on the edge.
And this has to hang down, right?
Yes, of course. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Mike.
Yes, sir, mate.
Oh, you probably have to do it properly. Dali, have a look.
Bob, do you understand that, like, that the cornice is there? See the cornice?
Huh? Yeah, no, I can do better than that.
He's my.
Yeah. So, kailangan lang yung,
Where else?
anong bilhan ng, ano, we have to buy like a pot. Nice,
Where else?
plain pot. Yeah.
Where else lagi?
This one. Yeah, okay, that one. I'll get the other one in there.
Where else lagi?
Just making it up, honey.
What do you mean?
Get this one. I think this one, Daddy.
Where else lagi?
This one.
This one?
Yeah.
Come on, come on.
Make sure that the, leaf faces front, Bob, so.
Come on, Bunso.
so.
Which one? Which one?
Oh, here, maybe here in the corner as well.
Which one talaga?
Bob, stop making up sentences.
This one, yeah? There?
Yep, so the green stuff will also.
Hanging down this part.
Yes, Daddy. Thank you.
Hanging down this part talaga.
So Daddy, oh, no, it doesn't look nice.
It's handy having someone 6 foot.
It doesn't look nice, Daddy.
What?
Stop it.
You know what the word's coming out next? Do you know what Filipino word's coming out of my mouth next?
What is it?
Putang ina. Which one?
You hold Silin, me.
Nah.
Tingnan niyo ito, guys. Hindi magpalagay-lagay. You hold Silin, I'll do it. Hang on. Uy, huwag na ito, Ara. Uy. Have a look, people! Ayan ang ating result. Final. Hindi pala siya final result kasi kailangan pa natin bilhan ng pots para uniform silang lahat. Maganda tingnan. What color pots do you reckon, Daddy?
I reckon wood.
Wood pots?
Yeah.
You reckon they have it? Yeah. So, yung panglima ay nandyan. Kasi gusto ni Daddy Mike lagyan ng isa dyan din. So, ayan. Oh, it looks very nice. I'm very happy. I'm very happy with that. It just makes the house look more, refreshing sa mata pag ganyan. And we'll just, try our best na buhayin yan sila hindi mamatay. And then, pag ito siya ay nakatulog na, anak, shush, are you sweating, honey?
It's hot in here.
Pag ito siya ay nakatulog na, Daddy Mike and I will put this up. So, this is one thing na nangyari din, guys. Nung, in the last 2 weeks, hindi namin na-vlog kasi, we're all sick. Ayan siya. Ang ating frame. So, we're going to also put that up here. May dalawa na yan siya. They're old. Tapos, lagyan na lang namin ng another 2 para bumagay siya. Make sure na strong. Kasi, tingnan nyo naman, wood, tapos malaki pa. So, kailangan strong talaga ang ating hooks. So, dyan. Yeah, it would be nice. It's really, really big, guys. Really, really big. So, it will cover the whole space there.